In this video, you'll learn how to verify your Binance accounts. Successfully completing this process allows you access higher withdrawal limits and additional features on the platform. Follow along as we detail each step involved in the verification process. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once you are on the home page, locate and click the option to sign in. Enter your account credentials, including your email address and password. After logging in, find your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen and click on it to open a drop-down menu. Select Profile Settings from this menu to proceed to the Settings page. On the Profile Settings page, look for the section labeled Identity Verification. Click on this option to initiate the verification process. You will be presented with a list of verification requirements. Review these requirements carefully to ensure you have all necessary documents ready. It is important to check the supported document types listed, as only specific forms of identification are accepted for verification. Once you've confirmed that you have the required documents, you can start the actual verification process. Click on the button that allows you to upload your identity documents. Make sure the documents are clear and legible when uploading. After uploading, you will need to complete a facial verification. Ensure you are in a well-lit area to capture a clear image of your face. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, as each step is crucial for successful verification. After submitting your verification request, you will need to wait for Binance to process your documents. This may take some time, depending on their current workload. It is recommended to monitor your verification status by returning to the identity verification section in your profile settings. Additionally, keep an eye on your email for any notifications regarding your verification status. If your verification is approved, you will receive an email confirmation. This is important as it unlocks high withdrawal limits for your account. In case your verification is rejected, you can retry the process by ensuring that all documents meet the specified requirements. If there are delays in receiving your approval, consider contacting Binance support for assistance. Remember to save your approval confirmation for future reference. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.